Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing very well. I'm doing well. I'm happy to be filming this video. It's another unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing. I have quite a few things to open up with you, and I'm really excited because I received these a few weeks ago and I don't know what's in them. So like I said, I'm excited, very excited. I have a cup of water here, a glass of water I should say, because I'm super thirsty. Like I don't think I drink enough water, so I've been like really dehydrated lately, and my body is just like parched, and it's just me being really irresponsible with my health. So I mean, I do go to the gym like 5 times a week, and I take care of myself by eating right, but I'm not drinking enough water at all. I usually don't put ice in it, but today it is necessary. Okay, why don't we open the package that I have here that I already opened like a few days ago. But it's from Rimmel, London. They packaged it so cute, but the mascara kind of got lost in the box there. But it's the new Wonder Extension Mascara, and I guess it's supposed to give you the effect of lash extensions. Yeah, because it has a patented full stretch technology and ergonomic lash grabbing brush that works together to lift, lengthen, and extend beyond the tips of lashes. Okay, this is what it looks like. Fun packaging. Please excuse my undone nails. I don't get them done, and I haven't done them myself in like over a month, so yeah. But this is what it looks like, Wonder Extension. And I'm gonna open it. Wow, that's a lot of mascara gunk at the end of it. But there's the wand. It goes wider at the bottom and then it thins out the top. It definitely looks like it separates. Like the bristles, you can just tell. I like the smell of mascara. Wow, that's goopy. I'm wondering if, do you see that little string that comes out? Let me show you. Okay, that right there. I'm wondering if it'll be too like oily that it'll transfer onto my under eye area, which I'm not a fan of at all. Put that back up there. Okay. The next few items are from Pop Beauty. And Pop is a vegan, cruelty-free beauty brand. It's the first box, so we're gonna open this up. Where's my knife? Oh my gosh. Oh. This smells like a disaster happened. All I can smell is opened nail polish. This happened. The white one. The white one shattered and just went all over the place. So sad. Well, I'll show you the ones that aren't damaged. Here is, oh, he's dropping something. Here is the Pop Beauty Nail Glam, and this looks like a really pretty wine color. Wine O'Clock. That's the name of the nail polish. Wine O'Clock. Let's see here. Oh, ooh, that's thick. She real thick. The brush is really wide too, which I really like. Wow, that looks like blood almost. I'm actually really excited to use this one since I do paint my own nails. The other one that's, well, slightly damaged, but not really, little nail polish remover will fix her up. This is called Pom Pom, and it looks like a bright red. Oh no, can I open it? This seems like it's sealed shut. So, anyway, that's that. Womp womp. You know, that doesn't happen too often with packages that I get in the mail, so it's okay. It's okay. Okay, are you having fun so far? I hope you are. I hope that you're enjoying the new microphone that I have. It's picking up all the sounds. Here's another Pop Beauty. I can't show you the front because, well, my address is on there, but there's hair on my chest. Sorry about that. Get kiss ready. Is this lip products? Because I love lip products. Your lips will be ready to smooch, peck, and pucker up with these sweet treats. Pucker up patches. Oh my god, hydrogel lip mask. I love a good lip mask, or just a mask in general. How cute! A plump pout volume gloss in the color Fuchsia Freesia. So let's open this one up. There's a little tape here, so let's cut that. Here's this color. It's like a hot pink color. Well, fuchsia, right? Here's the wand. It smells minty, very minty. Let's see what this color looks like on. Oh wow, it's pretty opaque. You can always like share it out too in case like you need more subtle color. Right there. There's one more product in here. It is the Permanent Pout Liquid Lip Color. Power Pink. Another hot pink color. This is the packaging. Whoa. That is Barbie pink. So I assume it dries matte, so we shall see. Permanent Pout. I like the packaging. It's fun but clean. Clean packaging. Alright, let's open up this extra packaged product by Lancome. Lash, Idol Lash. It's a big mascara box, but look how small the product is. Hit your lash goals. New goals 2021 is your year. Wow, this looks really fancy. Like, I feel very bougie right now opening this up, but this is the mascara. It's in just the black color, I believe. So, I love the rose gold. This is just like on another level. Ooh. The wand is curved. And you can see the bristles look like they really separate the lashes. Gotta take a little sniff. All mascara smells exactly the same. All of it. But you can see at the tip, like there's no goopy mess like the Rimmel one. Like it doesn't. There's not a string of mascara following it. So those two new mascaras will be my next ones to try out, and I will record them and put them on my Instagram. which, by the way, if you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm very active on there, like daily. So in case, I don't know, if you want to get daily doses of my content, I would go there. What's this? Oh, this is actually something that I bought for myself. So I'm a huge fan of journaling, and there's this company called designworksinc.com, and I buy all my journals from them because they are the perfect journals just in design, and also the pages. I love how it, just hit myself in the face. I love how it looks like a little book, like the binding of it. It's not the spiral binding or anything. And the pages are super big. It smells really good too. But this is the journal. I like having a good amount of space to just write everything because I write a lot. So I'm just a huge fan. I remember I got my first one from Marshall's, but ever since I got that one, I can't seem to find it there. And you know what Marshall's like, just because you see it once doesn't mean you're gonna see it over and over again. So I decided to just look up the company, and I found them, and I thought, bingo, this is where I'm getting my journals from. Look how pretty. Yeah, I like to write down all my thoughts and all my prayers, a scripture that speaks to me, song lyrics even that speak to me. I write down like self-reflections, things that I'm grateful for, lots of prayers. I write down my dreams. There's just so many things that you can write down, so I'm really happy. So this is the last thing, and it's the biggest. It is from Loreal. It's this hot pink box, and I have a feeling it's going to be hair products. Just because it's kind of heavy, and I hear something thumping around in there, so Elle Vive. Long hair goals? Why yes. Join us in celebrating the newest additions to the Elle Vive Dream Lengths portfolio. How did they know that I'm growing out my hair? I don't know. Oh my gosh. I feel so spoiled right now. Wow. Like, this feels like Christmas. Let me see. This is what's in the box, guys. This is insane. Now, I've gotten the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. All smell so wonderful. All make my hair feel so good, especially the leave-in conditioner. So I definitely recommend this. But let's see what we have here. No haircut cream, leave-in, fine castor oil, and vitamins. Helps seal split ends and reduces breakage. So exciting. Okay, let's open it up. It smells really good. It's not like a fruity scent. There's a little, like, I would say it's more like a floral musky scent. But I have this already, and I love putting it in my hair after the shower and just letting my hair either air dry, or I will dry it and just get to feel the difference of like softness in my hair, and just feeling like it looks healthier than if I don't put on any kind of leave-in conditioner. And then I have this Heat Slayer Pre-Iron Spray to leave in up to 450 Fahrenheit heat protection, reduces frizz and hydrates a 3-day sleek. Long straightened hair. Ugh, come on. Who doesn't love heat protectant? It smells so good. I love it when my hair smells really good. Honestly, I think a good day isn't even when my makeup's on point, but when my hair smells delicious and the other people and I can smell it. It's just, I feel super beautiful and attractive. Okay, and then there's an Air Volume hair dry shampoo. No white residue. Instant body. Now I have a favorite dry shampoo already, so we'll see how this one compares to it. Might be a good competitor, but I do really love the smell of the other one. What is next? This is the Frizz Killer Serum. It is a leave-in serum that tames frizz and static. Long frizzy hair is what it tames. Silicone-free, non-greasy formula. We had to test that out. So it's just like a pump. Oh, okay, there you go. I do have a favorite serum already, and I love the smell of that one, which is why I go back to it. One of the reasons, but we'll see what is next. The next is this Wonder Water long hair transforming lamellar rinse out, instantly detangles for smooth sleek hair, no way down. It says Dreamlink's Wonder Water is not your ordinary rinse out. This liquid form works as soon as it comes in contact with wet hair to instantly detangle for sleek, smooth lengths. I'm so excited about this. I'm always going for really soft, like touchable, like just movable hair. Unless I have my hair up and back, but yeah. And then last but not least, we have the Restoring Shampoo and Conditioner, which I've used before. Like I said, these both have just given me really good, I would say volume, shine, and just like healthy feeling hair. So this is what these look like. Yeah, they smell good. Okay, let's check on this liquid lipstick. It's still tacky, and if I rub on it, it's gonna come off a little bit. So I don't know, guys, might not be good for mask use. I've made the mistake of wearing regular lipstick with a mask on. It just makes me feel better as opposed to just having nothing. But I realized that throughout the day when I have it on and I'm like speaking or singing, like in worship music in church, that when I take off the mask, my lipstick is just like kind of smudged all outside of my lips. So I just don't do that anymore. I've learned my lesson. So I'm thinking that like liquid lipsticks are probably the best thing, but they have to be transfer proof, because if not, you're just gonna have the same thing happening, same problem. Thank you guys all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments down below, and of course, like I said earlier, if you want to follow me for daily posts, daily inspiration, please follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on there every single Monday, live nighttime readings. They're just a way to like wind down and relax. They are Bible readings, so if you just want like soft-spoken readings, even if it is the Bible, I would say come and join in. And I always post a reminder the day of. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I see you guys on my Instagram, and I love you all. I hope you take care. God bless.